What if your phone's AI could see what you see and outsmart Siri in real time? Google just dropped a massive upgrade to Gemini Live on Pixel 9 with live camera and screen sharing powers that are trending like crazy among Android fans. Stick around to see why this is the future of AI and why Apple's playing catch up. Hey tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider. Google's shaking things up. This week, they rolled out live camera and screen sharing features to Gemini Live on Pixel 9 devices, turning their AI into a real-time genius. Sources are already calling it a Siri killer for hands-on tasks. And trust me, this is worth the hype. Let's dive in. So what's new with Gemini Live? Picture this, you're holding your Pixel 9 and you point the camera at, say, a funky plant. Tap the Gemini Live button and boom, it's streaming live video to the AI. You ask, what's this? And it instantly tells you it's a Monstera, plus care tips. No typing and no waiting. That's the camera upgrade powered by Project Astra Tech Google teased last year. But wait, it gets better. The screen sharing feature lets you show Gemini what's on your display like a recipe app and say, walk me through this. It sees your screen, guides you step by step, and even spots mistakes. Users tested it against Siri, and while Siri's stuck with voice commands, Gemini's tackling real-time tasks like a pro. Think troubleshooting a gadget or decoding a map on the fly. Why is this blowing up? Android users on X are losing it, and for good reason. This isn't just a cool trick, it's practical. Need help fixing a bike? Point your camera and Gemini talks you through it. Shopping online? Share your screen and it compares deals in real time. It's outpacing Siri because it's interactive. No more fumbling with vague voice prompts. Google's rolling this out free to all Pixel 9 users right now, and Gemini Advanced subscribers on other Androids are next. Posts on X are calling it the future of AI assistants, and sources say it's a leap towards making your phone a true problem solver. Sorry, Siri, it looks like Google's got the edge in 2025. Alright, let's have some fun. Imagine you're traveling with your Pixel 9 and you spot a weird statue. You fire up Gemini Live, what's it telling you? Or maybe you're building IKEA furniture and need a lifeline. How's it saving your day? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. I want to see how you'd use this. And if you're as obsessed with this upgrade as I am, smash that like button to let Google know we're all in for more AI magic. That's Gemini Live's camera upgrade, folks. Real-time AI that's trending for a reason. Pixel 9 crew, try it out now. Everyone else, stay tuned for the rollout. Want more tech scoops like this?